Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm sharing a super easy DIY mask that I'm trying out for the first time, and it's actually made with cocoa powder. So who knew chocolate could be so good for your hair? But all you need is some organic cocoa powder. If you can find organic, that would be ideal, but if you don't have that available, then any cocoa powder is fine. You're also going to need some kind of deep conditioner or thick heavy conditioner, so I'm using my intensive conditioner from Kalia. If you don't have anything like this at home, feel free to use mayonnaise or yogurt or something. You're also going to need an oil. I'm using olive oil, and I'm also adding this vitamin B complex. It's called D-panthenol. This is totally optional. I'll try to have it linked down below. So I started off by just adding 2 tablespoons of each ingredient. I wasn't sure how much I would need to make the consistency that I want, so I ended up adding a little bit more oil and conditioner later, but you want it to be a creamy, smooth consistency, kind of like a conditioner. Cocoa powder is so beneficial for the hair because it's actually really high in magnesium, which prevents hair loss. It's also going to bring your hair a lot of vibrance and shine, and the other ingredients in this mask are going to really make it a really good hydrating mask. I've seen this mask floating around a ton on Brazilian Instagram pages and on YouTube channels, so I decided to try it out. I'll leave the original video that I watched linked down below for you guys so you can check it out if you want. So just make sure that you're wearing a shirt that you're not too concerned about getting dirty, because this mask is really messy. But the girl I watched in the original video applied this mask on clean, damp hair. I have a scalp treatment on my roots that I really didn't want to wash out yet, and I also don't want to wash my hair twice, so I just applied it on damp hair. I use a spray bottle, as you guys can see, to dampen my hair, but you can do it however you want, however you're more comfortable doing it. Since I already had my DIY scalp treatment on my roots, I'm just going to be focusing this mainly on my ends and the length of my hair, but feel free to apply this all over your hair and roots if you want. I'm just going to be really making sure that this is worked through my hair as evenly as possible. And oh my god, you guys, it smells so good. I literally smelled like a cupcake with this mask in my hair. I loved it. What I really like about this mask is how versatile it is. Like I said earlier, you can replace the deep conditioner with mayo or yogurt if you want. You can also add an egg to this mask if you want to make it more of a protein treatment. You can add some honey if you want to add some extra hydration. It's honestly so versatile and easy to make that it's probably going to be one of my staples during the summer growth challenge. So you guys can see I got this mask literally all over me, but I just clipped my hair up in a bun and I left it in for about 2 hours. 1 hour is sufficient, but you can leave it on as long as you want. And these are the results of the mask, you guys. My hair is super soft and shiny. I didn't put any oil or any leave-in conditioner in my hair last night after washing because I wanted to see the true effect of the mask. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down in the comments if you tried it out and how you like it, and I will see you in next week's video. Bye!